I'm nervous. Alright, I'm giving it a 90% chance he doesn't answer.
Hey.
Yo! Me, Matthew, Nathan, you. San Francisco to Los Angeles, camper van, September 7th through 11th. Free camper van that we already booked.
Yeah.
You're in?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's go! Say what's up to the camera. He's in.
I'm stuck in space, got a daydream running through my brain every day. Heaven in my denim, world's a bore, but I'm okay anyway. I wanna shake it out, toss my body up and down on a wave.
We're on the way to pick up the mysterious RV that we don't know if it's real. This whole trip could be a sham, but I believe.
I'm still skeptic.
Let's go, boys!
We did it. It's real.
It is in fact real. We've got this whole RV for free for 3 nights.
It's sick, bro. We got a home. I've never had a home before.
No driving test, nothing. We just hopped in this thing. Maya's presentation was great, but it was 15 minutes of camping information. There was no driving tips at all.
Very impressed.
Gabe, how do you feel?
Great. I feel accomplished. My heart was racing at a few points, but I got more relaxed as time went on.
I'm proud of you, Gabe, as I had to swallow my pride earlier and let you drive. So I'm no longer driving.
Hey, I appreciate you being man enough to do that.
A little left-hand handshake there. Just had a wonderful Costco pizza.
Dinner of champions.
Exactly. And now we're walking to the sunset.
Incredible. I'm so excited to surf tomorrow.
I'm so excited to surf.
We got to this Costco parking lot last night. Found online that you can actually park here overnight. Extremely foggy this morning. Costco is through there. What up? How was last night, y'all?
Cold. Yeah, it was cold.
Let's see what Nate's doing.
Just kind of woke up. Everybody's been up for a little bit, but decided to get a little more sleep.
How was your studying going last night? I know I have a video of you being an academic weapon.
I was studying. I wasn't studying. I was doing some homework.
There was a moment last night where like, what could Nate possibly be doing? And I was like, he's definitely like playing the dinosaur jumping game. And so Gabe runs up here, and he was playing the dinosaur jumping.
My hotspot turned off or something, and then it said that. So you caught me in a bad moment.
Right.
Off we go.
There we go.
Lunchtime.
like the best surf spot. The most prettiest surf spot ever, dude. You see that? It's like green and...
So a lot of you are probably wondering, how in the world did they book an RV for free? Well, back in July, Gabe and I were talking about doing some sort of trip, and I remembered a video I had seen by a filmmaker named Jack Coyne where he had done this very thing, found a company that needed a RV relocated, and instead of paying someone to move it, they give it to you for free for a few nights. So I did some Google searching of my own, found one from San Francisco to Los Angeles, and Gabe and I figured that, hey, we could spend the whole time surfing down the coast. And as you're saying, that's exactly what we did. So if you're interested in doing something similar, I'll have an affiliate link down in the description. But anyway, back to the film. We made it to our campsite, night 2. Surfing was great today. Unfortunately did not get to film much of it, mainly just because I just wanted to enjoy it. But also because I'm not that good at surfing and I needed to really practice it. You know how you
We did it. We hooked up. That took like 40 minutes.
Let's just say I had to hook up the poo pipe, and I may or may not have gotten some urine on my hands.
Fire in the hole!
Not very happy about that, but here we are. We got the boards out here. Great day surfing. The wetsuit's drying. Right now we're just gonna cook some dinner and call it a night. So here we go. We just realized that we have not done a proper tour of the RV. So get ready for your proper tour of the RV. Here we got the outside. I know it's dark right now. Sorry. Pretty simple. But let's get to the exciting part. The inside. Yo, what up?
Hi there. Here we go. We got the cockpit, the cab, driver's seat, co-pilot seat. We got a bed up here. This stuff folds over and then a nice curtain goes over there. Perfect for the Costco parking lot. People couldn't even see in here. Right here we got the table, dinners, meals, breakfast, lunch,
Doritos,
hangouts, stove, microwave, pan, our only pan that we watch.
Aiden on the couch.
Oh yeah, this is Aiden. That's his bed. Cabinets. All right, this is the boring stuff. We got the sink and a fridge. I'm gonna pass it off to Nathan, who, based on this trip, has probably already forgotten the plan of the fact that we are about to film this.
Nate.
Oh, hey guys. This is my bed, also known as couch. It converts. Pull this back, up, bam! Up here is storage for our stuff. I'm gonna give you a 3-second peek. Keep your eyes peeled. Let me show you into the bathroom. This is the most spacious RV bathroom I've ever seen. You got hooks for your towels, 2 switches, nice toilet. Don't look in there too long. Sink, tons of cabinet space, and this beautiful shower right here. Let me take you back to the master bedroom. Here we have the very tidy master bedroom where Gabriel and Matthew are sleeping tonight.
So that's pretty much it. It's your standard RV. This one has 2 slide outs. This is a slide out and that's a slide out. That's why it's so spacious in here. This is a 32-foot RV and I'm forgetting all the specs and I'll put them on the screen right over Aiden's face. Aiden, what do you think about these specs of the
Pretty
RV?
great. Look at that one and that one. Wow, so many specs.
So that's the RV. Any final thoughts, Gabe?
Oh, fun fact. Did you know that 1,000,000 seconds equates to 13 days and 1,000,000,000 seconds equates to 30 years? That's how big the difference is between 1,000,000 and 1,000,000,000.
Another misty morning here in California.
At the end of that block,
Yeah.
it's called Surf Rat Donuts.
All right.
They just opened and they're wonderful.
Okay.
Shout out Surf Rat Donuts in Cayucas. So good. Made it to the surf spot today.
Never gonna look back, wouldn't have it any other way. Body in motion, I'm moving to stay in the moment that won't get away. La 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 la. Lights on, back up and running. La 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 la. Right on, back up and running.
Did you see the dolphins in the wave?
Kinda.
One of them was like riding in the wave.
Back at the RV, but now it's time for sunset. Absolutely beautiful night, picturesque. So happy that the fog cleared up this morning. It would have been kind of a dreary day, but could not ask for better weather. So now we're gonna go watch the sunset. Anybody have any deep thoughts?
A lot of people were telling us this is a bad idea, but the logic is not once in our lives moving forward will we ever look back and wish we didn't go on this trip. At the end of the day, what really matters in life? Family and experience.
You never know how many times you're gonna be able to do this. Experiences like these are unbeatable. And God's blessing upon us, it's really great. It's really great to be able to do this. Not a lot of people get this opportunity, but.
Aiden?
We asked him to bless this trip and to bless this day, and he has certainly done it tenfold. This is way better than anything we could have imagined, and we're all loving it. So, yeah.
Okay, Gabe's filming me. Yeah, I'm loving life right now. This trip has been so incredible so far. It's not even over yet. We still got a whole day to go. Several times on this trip have paused and just been like, wow. I'm out here with my brother, two of my cousins. All three of you are in my wedding. We're reaching that peak in our lives where we're getting to the point where we're not single anymore. We're moving on in life, and so it's just really important to do trips like this to just remind you of that and to keep that bond, keep that brotherhood. It's really special.
I cannot wait to drive through the middle of Los Angeles in a camper.
Pale city girl, tell me what you want from me. A pale city girl, come along and rise with me. Take a chance, you're all I'm ever gonna be. Eyes that last and shine like the love of me.
Here you are, sir.
Thank you.
Not a sponsor. Yet.
The open sea.